Well, hello, beautiful ones. Long time no see, huh? Everybody's asking, what is life? Why am I here? Why am I suffering? And what's with this non-dual exposure, non-dual thing? What is this that everybody's telling that this is all there is? I'll give you an example, a little one. Let me light a cigar and we'll chat. So, what's this that everybody's saying it's all there is? Let's say, for a second, that you are in a room and you turn on the light. There is light. And maybe you play with that switch and you turn it off and you turn it on and then off again. Stay with me for a while. Just an imagination play, another story. But since you are here, why not play a little? When the light is on, that's all there is. There is no darkness. When the light is off, well, there is no light. And even the fact that you turned the light on or off is not real. It's just another thought, a memory. There is no separation. There is no conscious entity in life, in space or time. Nothing in the body from which a certain measure, succession or duration can start. Neither on nor off, neither before nor after, neither life nor death. No division, no separation can be real. There is no progress, there is no personal or impersonal experience. Those are only thoughts, beliefs, fantasies. Is what is just this. Let's call it the ungraspable, timeless aliveness. The immediacy of what is, of what seems to be happening. That's it, and that's all. Nothing more and nothing less. And if you do not see it, you can maybe understand it, but there is no experience of this oneness, let's say. I made 2 videos pointing directly to this in my members only section. So, if there is a calling there, just become a member of this channel, which is very cheap, and follow those instructions. It will be seen as an experience of no one that there is no you and there is no time And this is all there is. No matter what you think, no matter what you believe, this is all there is. What's happening? That's it, and that's all. Amen.